Hello fans, I am very glad to have successfully written a program for real-time clock using Arduino. As you can see, this one is the date and this is the time. Today is Sunday, the 27th day of April 2025, as you can see. And what the time is, this is 33 minutes after 10. And we'll have the seconds counting. You can see the seconds that is counting. Okay, this is the keypad. The clock is programmable. Look at the keypad. You can use this keypad to alter the day, the year, and the time. You can use it for setting. Okay, you can use it for setup. For instance, if I want to set the time now, I can press here. If you press this button, which is star, you can see it will ask you to enter year. Let me enter year 2025, 25. And then you press hash button. It enters and it will ask you month. The month is April. You press 4 and you press hash to enter. Then it asks you day of week. Day of week, today is 27th day. Okay, you press enter, it enters. It asks you hour, this is about 10. You enter 10. Number of minutes, this is 35 minutes. You enter 35. You press enter. Seconds, let's say we have about 50 seconds. You press 50 and say enter. It begins to look at it. Today is 27th day of April 2025 and the time is 35 minutes. It's 36 minutes now. This is 7 seconds and it's counting. Okay, so this is it. Now look at the code here. Look at the code. Look at the code. This is the code. Okay, you can see real-time clock successfully made with Arduino. Remember, this is quantized tech. This is quantized tech. This clock can be magnified. You can place it in your room. You can place it in your office on your table. Look at the battery. This is the battery. You can remove this battery. When you put the battery, the time might go to adjust itself. The time will not be correct. So what you need to do is to use this keypad to set it, and the time will be correct once again. Thank you. This is Quantized Tech, and God bless.